So this is a case study about our subject routing and switching. Okay. So we are into 4th unit and we are discussing about IP routing. Okay. So IP routing, we were discussing about many protocols to be used. Now we are going to discuss about the real-time implementation of those protocols. So for this understanding, we are going to discuss about one real case study which was taken in the name of the company is eShopX. So this is one of the company which it is like an online shopping company. Okay. So this company is going to sell a lot of products and it has customers, nationwide customers in US. So the background of the company is it is having a head office with 200 employees. So you just assume the volume of the company and the reputation of the company. Okay. So that head office is having 200 employees and it is having 2 branches also. So that company, that branches also will be having a lot of employees, and these branches was used for logistics. So what do you mean by logistics is transportation of goods from one place to another place. Okay. So since it is an online shopping company, people will be placing lot of orders, and that orders has to be delivered to those customers. You just assume a Flipkart or Amazon like that. It is one of the company. So it is going to have logistics support and assurance support. Like you have the online platform where if you have any queries, okay, so you will be making a call to customer call, and they will be solving all your problems. Okay. So this company will be having around 400 to 500 employees. So you just assume how bigger the company is, and it is having one data center which hosts the company's website. So whatever website they are using to host that website, they are having a web server and they are having a database. Okay. So 3 different facilities they are having. So naturally, what should be in existence is a very big network or very big network connection which is connecting all those employees, all those offices, head office to the branch. Likewise, we are having a lot of employees. So those employees will be working in different branches or different departments. So you just assume how bigger this company is going to have its own network. Okay. So this company has to manage their own network also. So they were facing some problem like higher traffic during festival seasons. Okay. So if you take Flipkart or Amazon during festival seasons, they will scale up or scale down. So based upon cloud computing applications. So naturally during festival times, okay, people will be buying. The buying behavior of people is extreme whenever it comes to festival holidays like Diwali, Pongal. Normally we will be making lot of purchases. Okay. So this online shopping network or website also is going to have a lot of visitors to their website or to their application. So it is facing higher traffic and they are unable to manage that higher traffic. That is one problem. Because of this traffic, they are having slower response. Okay. So since the number of people visiting the website is higher, okay, so naturally the site came down and the response also got very much slow. The third one is the application is getting frequently disconnected. Okay, so whenever people are getting connected to this network, especially between offices, they were having a lot of issues in maintaining the connection. So that was also one problem. And one of the major problem what they discovered after doing a lot of security audit is packet loss. So we were discussing about packets. Okay, the packets sent from source to destination. Those packets were also getting lost. That was also one major problem they discovered. And it created a loop between branch A and data center. Okay, so routing is working properly, but routing does not go from end to end. The routing becomes loop. Loop means it is keeping on circulating so that there is no end to that particular transfer. Okay, so this routing becomes infinite. Infinite means from source it is not reaching destination. It is keeping on repeating, but it is not going to finish. So that is the case for routing loops. It is happening between branch A and data center. Okay, so all these problems they were facing. To solve this, they implemented the routing protocols what we discussed today morning. First one is open shortest path first, and second one is the border gateway protocol. So these two protocols they were not implemented initially. After doing a lot of analysis, they found out that this problem can be solved using these two protocols. So they implemented these two protocols and they were able to solve this problem. Okay. So we were discussing about open shortest path first protocol. So open shortest path first protocol will be helping you to identifying the shortest path. That with extra implementation, where you have to find the shortest path will be source and destination. Last one is gateway protocol. So the company's gateway was implemented with border gateway protocol so that the network was monitored efficiently. By using these two techniques, the problem faced by these three sockets was solved. So after the implementation of these two techniques, the company's site got better and they were able to provide better service. Okay, so like this, we have so many cases where people started to use new protocols which is designed in network and they were able to reap lot of success and their website was working properly. And this is one such instance. Okay, with this we come.